Mm.
I almost feel like PLTR has ruined both Capco and Go and 90MA trades.
Just trying to tart us though.
Yeah, it might offer an up through open, but
I'm starting to short PayPal.
I'm shorting this pop and Merc into 90s pre-market.
Right on PayPal.
Alex, what do you think about PayPal?
Uh, I mean, I just took a short on that 81.75 break, but I don't
Oh,
know.
I'm not sure in the 81, but we'll see.
I hate when these stocks are spready.
Yeah.
looks good for a 5-minute opening range break. PayPal.
Yeah, I'm gonna probably risk a hold above 82s, maybe. We'll see. Should work really fast. If not, I'll probably just get out.
Oh shit, Netflix is near 1,000.
I'm like, just keep, oh, I had an alert for 996. Okay.
PLTR moving. Yeah, I
Mark,
had my 995, I think.
Mark coming into low day.
I'm sure MRK. Yeah, I'm sure too MRK. What are you guys
81.
targeting in MRK?
Wait a minute. How come I got 35? 35 is fine.
MRK have 85 target.
Let's see what happens in PLTR into this 104s. I'm looking at XPath too. Oh shit, that was fast.
I just got in PLTR 104.50 crack. Massive offers.
Hold up.
Looking at short 88.50s. Mark.
Yep, watching this 9 EMA pullback. It's almost 939.
Oh, I think it's SSR's on now too.
Mm-hmm.
Run Forest, run, man. Yeah,
If 88 breaks Mark, I'm adding short.
Yeah, looking for prior breaks on MRK.
Dude, this is
Hopefully we
Netflix
get one
break
more inside
1,000.
bar.
you know, man.
This is hilarious. I'm gonna try it.
Reduce down this PLTR.
So we are 70 now.
Man.
Still looking for prior bar breaks on MRK.
Yo, there we go. Whoops. Oh, I spoke too soon. Never mind. Scratch that. Scratch that.
My
Drag
gosh,
it out.
PayPal. My gosh, I'm in the money on PayPal. I was about to give up on this shit. No,
Yeah, I
fuck it, I'm
did.
giving up. Giving
I
up,
did the
bro.
same thing, man. Like, this isn't worth my
It is.
time.
It's wasting my time. Alright, I'm out break even. My god, Netflix. Bitch.
Yeah, I'm not gonna take MRK.
That's what a short.
Yeah, I was looking for the 90 EMA, but didn't give it. Netflix still hanging at 1,000.
Yeah, I gotta stop at 995, but seems like this doesn't want to move, so might get stopped. I don't know yet. We'll see. This doesn't break me. Give it a minute. Should break 10 1002.
I took Netflix.
Where's your stop, Jason?
Just below that 1 minute consolidation. Par bar low.
Can you let me know when you get stopped out? Just Alan's here.
It's gonna need volume if it's gonna go, but it could rip.
This is probably one where
Might go. Netflix.
Give me. I'll take 10-10 on this, right? 10-10.
Yeah, I'm long on Netflix too.
and also has yeah, number where and
I hate watching the tape on Netflix.
Our vol is increasing. It's what we want to see here.
Perfect.
Obviously, they're not running.
Walter Bloomberg. Walter Bloomberg just tweeted Netflix shares hit record highs. Let's go.
Yep. This might work.
Auto. So it's high day. Oh, I have a
PLTR
1-to-1
China
trade right
again.
now. Nice.
PLTR 90 MA continuation. If it breaks above 105, I'm in it.
Which one?
PLTR.
PLTR.
Really?
Who wants it?
Yeah, I'm in.
Oh,
God.
love it.
Meta is selling.
Yeah, I got long PLTR in a 5 break.
Boom.
Boom. It's hilarious.
Different cover band.
Jason, what are you covering on Netflix?
You have no idea. I mean, we're at all-time highs, right? So
I have no idea.
That's true.
probably
Dance man. Good
probably the
man.
loss of a 90 MA, right?
The reason I ask you because I have no idea myself.
No idea.
Well, you just let
traders.
it run, right, and see.
Let it run, traders.
I don't have a price target. I guess is what I'm trying to say.
The same thing with me
You
goes
said you said
PLTR. Let it run, traders.
You mean all the shots?
Now, I would say a 2-bar break in PLTR. I would give it 104 break. And I'm still short Merc to that rejection of 9 VWAP. I'm risking above 91.
So Netflix may retest 1,000 and then go do like a second chance.
go. No need for second chances, man.
I'm just saying, don't get spooked out. You know, it's
Certainly feedback. It's the best strat. Did use it.
Yeah, I'm getting out of
Alright,
this.
there was
X
your
test
second chance.
situation. Netflix.
it's Netflix second chance.
Is respect.
Now it just needs to do pre-bar breaks, and it should be good.
It gives me something really good.
I want to see Netflix hold 1,000 like it did, consolidate for a little bit, and then I'll buy that hitchhiker.
Randy, you adding?
No, no. But I've been hawking this trade for like the past week though. I'm not gonna lie. I had it on my like side screen for, like the longest.
Okay.
I think it's a really good solid trade. If I want, I could really size it so I can risk low day, but nah.
A strong
No, no.
rebid in PLTR above 106.
I think 995. Why did you add?
No, I would potentially, but I didn't like how it's moving. But
I'm in Netflix with you.
Yeah.
I'll be risking the break of 1,000.
yeah, but Enrique's getting in, right? So it's like when he gets in, you can be adding.
Fucking add to the moon, bro. Full size.
Wait, Enrique's in?
Fuck
All
yeah,
right,
bro.
I'm getting out. I'm getting out.
Alright, get out, bro. Give me your money. Give me your money.
Took some profit. Took some profit on PLTR.
Yeah, I should probably start doing that. Holding a bid though. I don't know.
10-10, this makes my day. Jason.
It's in, it makes your day.
I'm long Netflix, long.
And
Are you
10 it makes
sized in like him?
Short mark.
10-10 it makes my week. I'll tell you
Oh
that.
shit.
No.
Nice.
10-20 I get a wrist bump.
And 10's not even
Nice.
1R for me.
What? I'm at 1R right now. But it's 10 of this 05 is struggling to break kind of.
Yeah.
Yo, if you get that, nah, I might be in a set. Never mind. Might be in a set.
I took off
Come
a
on,
little bit.
PLTR.
The volume profile looks
1.7.
really good though.
1.7.
I added short in Merc to break of this range, 88.50s.
We have job numbers at 10.
Yeah.
I took my momentum lot off PLTR.
I'm still holding.
Yeah, I got
I'm using a
like
2-minute bar break.
15%.
Hey,
Yeah,
Hims
with
is getting
15% loss.
volume.
I have a 2-minute bar break. Trailing stop. OPL now.
I'm with you, Jordan. Using 2-minute bar break.
Yo, why did I listen to Randy
I'm out.
invite Netflix, bro?
I knew it.
Good
Fucking
thing you
knew it to
got
get out.
I cover my Netflix.
If it breaks view up 96, I'm out. I'm gonna give it some room. All-time highs, bro. This thing could run.
I gave it more space, but
Oh shit, dude,
we'll
Nvidia's
give it
trying
a
to
couple
break
more
out.
minutes.
Come on.
Spy breaks. Market high.
Bro, he has his whole family, huh?
Hmm?
He he has his whole family in office right now.
Who that?
Trump. Apparently Ivanka is part of his committee too.
Mm,
I mean, I don't blame him. I'll probably do the same thing. Do you know anything about political affairs? No. All right, you get the job.
It's got to go now
Nvidia
that it's
breaking out.
Netflix.
Can you let me know what the price is? Sorry, I'm looking at their stocks right now.
119.16.
No, I'm talking about Netflix.
$9.99.
PLTR short.
I don't recommend you doing that, but it's up to you.
It's just a small size.
I was thinking about 9 moving average continuation.
This is the second leg of the hitchhiker here. Just wait for 105.50 to break and then feel free to short.
Yeah, I'm looking 105.30. Yeah, to break.
Oh.
And pre-market highs to break on the downside to that.
I'm adding long PLTR.
Alright, Qs are high day. Semi's high day. This is good.
106.60 got rejected.
You have it as a sitting.
Oh my god, no way. Okay.
Nvidia making new highs.
Alright, now I could look at the short in PLTR.
Yeah, PLTR is breaking the higher lows.
Damn, I actually lost money in PLTR. That's wild.
Still above
I don't
105.
know how that's possible.
Still holding above 105.
Alright, I'm gonna trail Nvidia out now.
Q's high day. Oh, Q's had a good hitchhiker 521.
Volume increasing on Netflix. Amazon is above 2-day high day.
Added long in PLTR. Now I have a stop on 105 break.
What's going on? Oh, Netflix, nice. I have to
Tell you what,
try
They had a
this.
low volume pullback into VWAP. Now we want to see volume increasing.
Nine earnings in PLTR. Hitchhiker, first leg. This could be the second. My target in this is 108.
So your XPEV is back up.
The ones I've seen fail.
Yeah, I added XBEV on that range break there, 704, 708, give or take. I'm all out of mark. I don't like that. This should have gone lower already.
Yeah, I'm looking to jump out of Merc also. It's just not doing.
Jason, what are we doing? What's going on?
Just chilling above 1,000, bro. Fine.
I'm just studying my
Yeah,
stop
at
on
least
Merc.
I got cushion from him. Yeah.
I added short in mark.
So spready.
You
bro.
just say about get out.
I just saw something that's different, bro. New trade.
Do you consider it as VWAP continuation?
Yes, sir. 21, also 21 EMA right there, 89, rejected. So that's what I'd used.
Yeah, because I placed my stop right above VWAP, so if it doesn't go now, I think it's not worth holding.
These hedge funds better start buying Netflix.
Enrique, buy some more. Push the price up.
I did already.
You need to do more. It's not enough. OPP, max size.
MRK volume.
The PLTR is breaking pre-market highs. I'm out of Merck.
I'm out
I
of
might get
Netflix.
stopped right here. Yeah. Sucks.
So PLTR is touching the 90 MA on the 5-minute.
We'll break above this 1,000 level now. Interesting. Okay. A couple more minutes, then I'm out. I'm getting out. Let's see. 30 more seconds. Then
I'm all done with Merc. Netflix back at 1,000. Oh, tried.
I know. Most it's trading limit to limit at 9. You're eating another limit.
Spotify at VWAP.
There's like 20 shares on the offer at 1,040 change, and no one wants to get out of it.
Buying some Netflix.
You say you bought some more?
Fuck yeah.
Nice, Enrique. Where's your stop now?
Lower day. Now at the break of
It is not low day, buddy. There's no way.
Break of 1,000, bro.
And you do low day, calling it a month.
I'm adding PLTR.
Added PLTR.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright, I'm all done with XPath. Fucking piece of doodle. If we break highs in PLTR, I'm in it.
Or pull back. Or pick up high.
Go do bonds of all.
This would be a hitchhiker in the 5, so this can maybe 108.
Great.
Want volume to start picking up and
Same. I pulled it right before the break. Six. That'd be even better. Added more BLT. So we put on 6. Every bit on 6. It's strong.
Come on, Netflix. Hi there. Yeah, I'm all done with PLTR, bro. Fuck. Got it on that 5 bar break, 105.
And both are moving, but very slow. My target is 103. Short.
Great day, Netflix.
Netflix new highs.
Yeah, this PLTR looks more like a short now. Fashionably late. Below 104.
Percent of the stock price.
I mean, Netflix moved an ATR already from the open. PayPal fashionably late. Damn, should have long PDD for that hitchhiker. 955 instead of fucking PLTR.
feel like PLTR trades better once it traps shorts.
Yeah, I like the long in PLTR now, but I'm not taking it. That 104 reclaim roll ban through VWAP. Oh, that's crazy. Yeah, now looking at it, PLTO is not the best. Hitchhiker or 9EMA. Not even one. Two, it's alright. That's it. Everybody left.
Recording in progress.
All right, so we should be good on this. Everybody looking at PLTR, I think. Good. All right. So a couple things that are very interesting. Next week we'll get into Catalyst, but we can kind of highlight a little bit of that discussion today. And how we score Catalyst. I think that's an important element to everything. We talked about setups last week. That was our week. Next week we'll have a lot of information to drill down on Catalyst and how we score Catalyst. So, we are going to spend a lot of time next week doing it. This week's kind of a weird week just with everything, and I don't feel up to really pushing it this week. We also have our monthly reviews for our desk on Thursday, so that tends to be a very, very busy day. So yeah, Fabian, I'll get to that. I didn't get a chance to look at it today, but saw that you did it, and I think somebody else sent me something like a week ago, and I just didn't get a chance to respond. And I read it, and I thought it was good, but I didn't get a chance to respond. So I'll get on that when things settle down just a touch. Let's set the context for the discussion next week, though, with this. We can look at a couple of names in play today, and we can talk about the balance and the lack of balance and the outcome. So what were PLTR's earnings? If you were to score them out of 10, what were they? John Oliver, what were they out of 10?
I give them 8.59.
Okay, why 8.5 or 9?
So they have a quite strong beat on EPS revenues. They guided up just about 6%. But I think all the metrics in terms of cash flow was up 70%. Government contracts as well as commercial contracts were up 50%. So it had, I think my books are just kind of seeing some kind of acceleration in the way that the company is growing, and they have very strong cash flow as well.
Yes. So and the core elements, just to simplify this, and we'll get into it more next week, but the core elements are not relative to what they did prior year, but relative to what they did versus expectations. So you can always find out what the expectations. Earningswhisper.com is a really good reference point for that. I think even StockTwits has it, but what would you categorize the response to these earnings out of 10?
I think solid 9.
Yeah, like 9, 9.5, right? Like very, very, very big, solid move. You see the extension, consolidation, follow through. This is a really strong move. The only reason why I wouldn't call it a 10 was because it truly wasn't gapping up above the prior area. A 10 is when it goes up here and then gaps up above here the next day. So I think a 9 is pretty good, right? So just like anything we do, you score the reaction to the catalyst independent from the catalyst itself. So you score the catalyst based on the numbers. And with earnings, you do it relative to the expectations. There are 3 core variables that we typically look at. EPS, revenue, and then what else?
Guidance.
Guidance, exactly. Yep. So you look at the 3 core elements, which are EPS, earnings per share, the revenue, and then the guidance. And if you beat on all 3, it's called a triple beat. We use a general guideline of needing to beat by what, 5%? Is that typically right?
Yeah, 5%.
5%. So if you beat all 3 by 5%, that's pretty good. You want to have something that stands out as well. And did this one have something that really completely stood out? Did they say we've got a new product that we're launching? We've got a new revenue stream that's coming down the pipeline. We've got, that's like that kicker, right? And those are the ones that really make the biggest difference. is when you get that extra kicker. And we didn't get that, right? So this is one that's the difference between, an 8.5 to a 9 and a 10, basically. So that's just one of the things that you want to pay attention to. So anyway, that said, what's the setup? So we talked about the catalyst. What's the setup? Yeah, it's an all-time high, right? Yep. It's an all-time high break with, and if you wanted to really get specific, you could say it's an all-time high break with a V bottom down to 65 from 85, roughly, right? So 84 to 64, so 20 points. You add 20 to that, it puts it to 105. Guess what? It's right to that 105. Is that like, the measured move of this little, then you can call it like a cup with a handle pattern or whatever you want to call it. But basically, it's a 20-point move. Excuse me, you get that 20-point gap. It's kind of where we are. Is this an overextension trade?
No, I mean intraday it's extended like 20%, but not higher time frame.
It's not overextended based on my metrics, right? Because it's coming out of balance with the fresh catalyst.
Yeah.
So, you want to be very aware of the setup that's there. So when you get a first move down, what's the sort of trade that you can take?
A gap give and go.
Like a gap give and go, sort of. And it didn't really give a good one. It sort of did, but not a great one. And you kind of got a Bella fade up into here, and then it, whoosh downward really quickly. But overall, has this been a really good trader today?
No.
Not really.
That's a
Very choppy.
It's choppy, right? But would you expect that if something makes the full move to a target off of earnings and all that stuff, right? Like, this is the sort of name that you're going to want to come back to and keep an eye on later in the day or tomorrow after it's sort of worked off some of this excess fluff. And it'll probably pick a direction in either direction, and people will either take profits and it'll come down to like 100, or they'll buy it and it'll go up to 110 or something like that, 110 or something like that. But it's, it's one of those things where it's just one of those things that you can make money trading this, but it's not something where I see like this is an A+ opportunity at all, right? Everybody agree with me? Anybody feel differently? Yeah. So that's all pretty balanced. Let's contrast that with what's another really good trade that happened today? Much better trade today. I thought PDD was pretty good. I thought EL was very good. Let's look at EL. And it's tougher because it doesn't trade nearly as much volume. But what were the earnings in EL?
I know the same.
Missed by what?
Everything was there.
And if you ever need to on Thinkorswim, you just come here, right?
You should be listening to me.
And you can just look at it really, really quickly. Like a lot of times I'll do that. But
52-week breakout. Solid earnings. Buffer market highs.
how bad were the earnings? -10 being the most negative they could be, +10 being the most positive they could be.
I did good here.
How bad were the EL earnings?
Sold some into 107. Pull back. Start adding here. I was looking for that move.
Nobody did any prep for it.
Yeah, I'm done.
-5.
We didn't add this like in the morning watch list. Like nobody actually had the stickers.
Okay, nobody had it. Oh,
No,
Yeah,
sir.
like we
The
discussed
pre-market-
on one.
The pre-market volume wasn't very telling. The setup wasn't that
Yeah.
clean.
Incredible.
Pre-market.
Yeah, that's why we're getting into it, is because the earnings can be whatever they are, but the other things matter a ton too, right? So, that's why you want to really nail this thing. That's why you want to walk through this process. You can look at it and go, wow, that was such a great trade. And it was a really good trade with a really good hitchhiker and continuation and all that stuff, right? But was it a name that you should be paying attention to? Or is it something that kind of was gapping down at that point, sort of mid-range on no volume, right? It's just sort of the thing that you can put alerts for below 73, and then all of a sudden it gets below 73, and maybe you're watching it here on that 74 move, and that's it, right? So if you see a company cutting 7,000 jobs, how many jobs does EL, how many people work at EL? How many employees are at EL? How would you find that information? 62,000. Yuri, how'd you find that? Finviz, yeah, exactly. You can go to Finviz and find that stuff like instantly, right? So 62,000. So they're cutting a little more than 10% of their workforce, right? Is that a pretty sizable cut? I mean,
Yeah,
that's
pretty big cut.
right?
Yeah.
That alone, does that sound like a very good thing for the company or not? And you have to be careful because small cuts are actually really good for the company because they show efficiency. Large cuts are actually not usually very good for the company, especially when other companies aren't cutting. Like in an environment where you should be growing, you don't want to be cutting, right? So, but small cuts, tactical cuts are typically very good, or when everybody else is cutting, that can be very good. So that's just something to pay attention to. Yeah, but I would agree. This on its own does not give you a really good reason to pay attention to it, but it turns out to be a very good one. Should you be frustrated if you looked at this, didn't prepare for it, and didn't execute on it? No, you should. No, why not, Roberto?
Because it wasn't part of the plan and your variables and your playbook.
Yeah. Like if you can come back and go, man, I really should have caught that. But like the reality is like the only way to do it is set an alert below 73, which was an area down here. I got 72, but really 73, right? You set an alert on the daily below 73, and then it gets triggered here. And then when it can't get back above 74, you can kind of take that trade. But that's really the only way that you could have caught that, right? That's all you could do. So when you have a name like that, you can set an alert and say, okay, if it gets below here, then it's an interesting thing. All right. Let's take a look at PDD and BABA, which are very, very interesting to me. So PDD and BABA, what was the news from yesterday or today? Sorry.
The China retaliation.
Correct. Yes. They are. What are they doing? Please be
Yeah, they're
more
imposing 15% tariffs on American products, but they
Correct,
have a different
exactly.
threshold in different sectors.
Correct. So they're defending their turf, basically, right?
Yeah.
So is that good or bad for the companies that are there? And also think about it from this perspective. Yesterday or over the weekend, what was the concern with PDD? Let's talk about PDD specifically. What is the concern with PDD and the tariffs? Temu. Yes, that's correct. Yeah, the low cost retailers, right? But what percent of Temu's total business is in the US? Anybody know? It's like a ridiculously small amount. It's like 3% or something like that. Like
I think it's less than 2%.
Less than 2%. Yeah. So it's not a significant amount. So like the optics on it aren't good. And sometimes you will get a day like this where it just chops around, and then the next day you get a positive catalyst and it just erupts, right? Just explodes to the upside. How do you execute on something like this? Again, you just put alerts right above the highs, and then you take advantage of the opportunity when it's there. Same thing could have happened in BABA today, right? Like you got the hitchhiker out of this consolidation right here. You could have taken it. It did give you that second chance back in there. And you know, you kind of go with it. But when you see that sector strength, you can take advantage of those. If you spent all morning trying to trade PLTR, you really do want to take a step back and say, hey, listen, like, was my stock selection the right thing? Not did I find a stock that should be in play. This is a stock that should be in play, but you know, if you're looking at this past about 10-15, when it's just not trading that cleanly, you do want to recognize this is just really choppy in a really nasty range, and I don't have a whole lot that I can do here. And so that's probably the biggest lesson for today, and it can be for any name, and then we're gonna wrap there because you know, I gotta protect my voice a little bit for later today for reading tape and stuff like that. But it's a really short meeting today. But as we set up for the catalyst discussions for next week, and we'll put together cheat sheets and stuff for it, you know, how to score catalysts, you do want to really recognize when something is just not kind of doing what it should be doing, and then have a process for backing off of that and going to other things that are working much better. Is there a chance PLTR is the best trading vehicle for the rest of the week? Absolutely. But has it been the best trading vehicle for the first 2 hours of today? Not at all. You want to be very, very aware of it, okay? All right, we'll wrap there. I thought NVIDIA was actually a decent opportunity as well. Just because of the day 2 here. We talked about day 1 with that reversal yesterday, right? And then like kind of that choppy price action, and then the reversal, and then the continuation, and then it pulled in, and now we had the day 2 right there. So, all right, we'll wrap there. Thanks, everybody. Bye.
Yo, NVIDIA was good. Oh. What were your entries? I actually should start doing this midday just because you know how they try to get too fast. Alex Morris. That's what I wanted to see. Fucking PLTR. Yeah, cause like, yeah, what the fuck? I was this. Oh, there you go. You were buying that 1950? Yeah. Those are reasonable trade. No, for me that would have been a stop there. 1016, that I will, before that I'll be out. Now just wait for it to reset. To the year. You have good entry. Oh, this right here? Yeah. This is perfect.
stop a little bit. Yeah, I gave the stop here. It's 118. These were just momentum covers.
Yeah, that's a good ad on that L10.
Yeah, I got out. And I'm like, nah, fuck it, dude. It's actually holding out. And then this was like, this was pure fake. You could just see like the pair bottom.
I could have taken this easily. The market was strong. Yeah, it's true. 19 to 21. Good $3. Risking 70 cents. Not bad. 5-minute bar break. Yeah, I would have gotten in here.
Good. 120 roughly. If that cracks, you could have a 7 leg to try to retest a higher. But that's been resistant so far.
One thing I've noticed too is that once I'm in here on this breakout, right, with the right catalyst, bro, they don't even pull back, it just goes straight. So I'm gonna start sizing them where my stop, I'm not gonna give it to the low for consolidation, but I'm gonna give it to the low that bar break.
Makes sense.
Right? Because like you're in here, 19, 10. I will only give it probably in this break. I'm not gonna give it till it comes back, because then that will be a whole different trade.
That's fair too. I mean, I only did it to the, like, I was only gonna give it here because it would have been a fake break. Oh shit. Whatever. It would have been a fake breakout. Just because, dude, the amount of like sprays that occurred on the ass, it would have just caught so many people off guards. So if they went back to this level, went under it, it would have just cracked.
And again, are there? Yeah. Yeah.
markers and selling off now.
Eric.
Is there any news? I think it's I don't know why he's selling off the SPY and the Qs.
I think just extended. I think I can see the market.
I think there is some news about mass buyout offer was accepted more than 20,000 federal workers. Federal
Oh.
layoff.
Yeah. But I shorted PLTR.
For
Just go.
what time?
Fashionable late. Yeah, the fashionable late around 104.
Okay.
Yeah. Are you watching something?
I don't. I am not watching anything. Only PLTR.
PLTR is very tricky
But-
today.
Yeah. I didn't trade PLTR today.
And you did, and that was the best good. That was the best decision to, and not trading the PLTR.
I did trade Nvidia and Netflix.
Nice. I think Nvidia was really nice.
But Nvidia I didn't catch the
Small dog.
I didn't. I took the next one.
9 EMA?
Yeah, like a hitchhiker after the break. Like a 10
Uh,
1
Yeah. Yeah, I was not watching market names today. I mean, I was not sure like what is happening with the market. It's a very slow market. And things are not getting followed through. On PLTR, usually you want to see like some kind of action, but in this market we're not getting like anything.
Yeah. I'm watching Chinese names right now because they look. They had a big run on at the open and they are consolidating.
Baba.
Baba retesting big web now.
Oh, pretty big run. Spot.
Sarah,
Yes.
do you hear something in my background? Because there is a construction outside.
Yeah, I can hear a little bit of drilling. Not
Oh, you
much.
can hear it. So let me see
Just
if
a
I
little
can.
bit. It's not an issue. I mean, just a little bit. Nothing to bother.
I think on the settings I can set
Mm-hmm.
voice cancellation.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. So I remember I sent you a message like few days back, like about the
Yeah,
goals, right? So I was talking about these day ones and the day twos. For example, we had like NVIDIA. Today, for example, PLTR. I think these are the uh, this setup is what I'm talking about, like scaling this, because this is for me it's my profitable setup, and I think everyone plays this setup. I think you also play this very nicely. So I was thinking that 2025 maybe we can work upon scaling this day one setup.
yeah, sounds good to me.
Yeah.
So yeah, we can talk later if you want. But so so how are we planning to like organize or like the day ones or like the different data points that we have?
I thought so. So I thought that okay, let's do uh, see. So my thought process was that let's start with sharing the playbook so that we know exactly what we are talking about. We are same page. So I thought maybe we can like I can we can decide a meeting and we can I can come up with like okay what would the 2024 10 best gap and go for day one for me, right? And we can discuss that, and then we can
Okay.
have another meeting where you can bring that sheet of like 10 best day ones for you,
Yeah.
and then we can
So
discuss that.
I have a question. So for these playbooks, do you have it? Because the way I structure playbooks is a little bit different. So do you have a playbook per setup, like earnings day one, or do you have a playbook per trade? Because for me, it's per trade. Like so the way I think about it is like, for example, if I have like hitchhikers, then if I have a good hitchhiker setup on that day, then I playbook that, right? So and then I say, oh, this is the trade. The best trade was hitchhiker, and then I just write the setup and the
Uh,
catalyst.
yeah, yeah. I have the other way around. So I have the setups, and then I look for my playbook trades into them. So for me, earnings day one, or not just earnings, like fresh news day one. So I call them a gap and go. So I have these as gap and goes, and then within these gap and goes, I have specific trades. So maybe hitchhiker, a 9 EMA, a VWAP, or opening range break. So this is how I categorize it. I categorize them as gap and go, and then the trade.
What do you categorize gap and go when it's just gap into any direction?
Yeah, I mean it should have fresh catalyst, and it should be usually breaking out of some kind of a important area, and it should be up at least three at least 3% or 5% gapping up and holding within the top 50% of the gap. So catalyst, some kind of a higher time frame break up above key support resistance area and gap up, holding the range volume. So that is what gap and go for me.
Okay. Yeah, I think we can set a meeting and like just share what we have and then how we can like make it stronger.
Yeah. Once we have like these two meetings, like 20 examples, we will be on the same page. Like we will know exactly what we are talking about. So then,
Yeah.
yeah, I don't know how to go forward after that, but this one I thought was a good starting point, and then we can see
Yeah.
how we can move forward with scaling it.
I think we should start with uh, the latest months and then going back, because I feel like the market, like we don't want to start from like January 2024, but
Uh,
maybe let's get the earliest month, like the last 2 or 3 months, so
yeah,
we
I
can see
think
those plays.
yeah, I agree. Agree. I think if we take January, December, November, I think 3 months, yeah, 3 4 months, we'll have at least 10 good examples. Sure.
Yeah.
I think for me, the best example, I mean, we had so many examples this month only. Like we have Nvidia was like A plus, right? That was a gap and go for me. Then we have Citibank, we had IBM, we have RCL, we have
Wait,
UPS.
today?
I don't know this month, January. So these are
uh
a few examples from January.
okay.
Yeah. So let me know when you are available. Are you available on the weekends?
uh yeah, I can text you because this weekend I have to meet some of my family, but
Okay.
usually yes, I'm free on the weekends.
Yeah, sure,
um
sure. Good.
yeah.
Yeah, sure. Sounds good. Just let me know whatever time is
Yeah.
comfortable. So you want me to present first?
Yeah, we can present.
Cool.
Just so I know, how long do we need? Like 1 hour to start?
Yeah, I think 1 hour is fine. I mean, we have to just. I mean, 10 examples. That's it. In one go, we'll
Yeah,
do 10 examples. That's it. We don't want meetings to be too long. I think 1 hour will be sufficient.
yeah. Yeah, sounds good.
All right. All right, Rick, I have to go for dinner. Right.
All right, see
So
you.
let's. All right. See you.
Bye.
But I sent him the setups. Like over the weekend, I went through the setups that I posted. Oh yeah. And I sent him like the ones that I really liked that made sense to me. Oh nice. And so like I'm on top of that. You think I should be doing something else? No man. I think like if you wanted to, you could paper trade. Yeah.